What's up everyone, today I'm gonna teach you how to draw Suga from BTS official Chibi Figurines. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow through my tutorial with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayons. Now I'm gonna start with drawing his hair shape. So I'm gonna take the middle point where the hair parts and draw a curved line down and then turn it to the left and stop there for now. And then going back to the middle parting of the hair, I'm gonna draw a curved line from that point downwards with a curved line slightly to the right, and then I'm gonna make a sharp turn back up and going back to the middle point right there. And then at the side here, I'm gonna take this point and draw a curved line to the right side of his face, and then I'm gonna make a tiny semicircle turn back to the center of the hair on top. Now on top of that right point over there, I'm gonna draw a curved line up, another curved line there, and then I'm gonna take that all the way to the center of the hair above right there. And then at the right corner of the head on top, I'm gonna draw one tiny hair jutting out at the corner right there. And then on the top part of the head, I'm gonna take the center point there and draw a curved line to the left side of the head right there. And then I'm gonna make another curved line across to his ear on the side right there. And taking this point from the curve that big curve of hair in front, I'm gonna take this point here and draw a curved line to the side and then down, and then I'm gonna make a sharp turn back up to the side of the ear, and at that side I'm gonna draw his ear with the top part being a semicircle that extended to the face and a semicircle turn on the side. Now from the right side of the face here, I'm gonna draw a curved line downwards like that, and then at the cheek we're gonna turn that to the center below the face and all the way across to the ear. And at the below the ear, I'm gonna draw a few strands of hair with a curved line and a strand of hair at the side. And for the hair, we're gonna detail up a bit, and we're gonna add a curved line across like that, and another one going back like that, and a big chunk on this side over here all the way to the center, and another one at the back right there like that. And in the middle we can add a few details as well with the curved lines. And on the right side we're gonna add some lines across as well. And we're gonna make it randomly so the hair looks natural, but we're gonna make those lines in almost the same direction with each other and slightly changing the direction as you go to the front or to the back portion. Okay. And a strand of hair on the right side of the head right there. Now for his going back to his ear, I'm gonna add the inner part of the ear here. I'm gonna trace the outer line there on the top section, and then from this point on the side I'm gonna draw a curved line like that. Now for his eyes, I'm gonna draw from this point here a curved line across to the center, and then at the inner corner of the eye I'm gonna add another curved line right there. Now we're gonna thicken up this section with the sides being thinner, and for the outer section of the eye, the outer part I'm gonna make a diagonal turn at the side, and for the inner part I'm just gonna connect that with a curved line like that. And for the bottom part of the eye, I'm gonna draw a curved line across like that. And then for his pupil, we're gonna draw a circle on the bottom part of the eye. And a small circle on the top left corner inside the eye, and a black circle in the center of the pupil. And for his eyebrow, we're gonna make a curved line across from this here to the center like that, and make it slightly thicker. Now we're gonna repeat the whole thing on the right side over here. And then for his mouth, I'm gonna draw across a curved line below the eye in the middle here. And for his nose, we're gonna add a tiny curved line on the bottom side and another one on top. Now going down his head, we're gonna draw on this corner here a curved line down, and for the collar of the shirt, I'm gonna draw a curved line across and down in the middle, and then going and mirror that on the right side right there, and curved line out on that point and down, and then make a sharp turn back up and down, and mirror that on the left side here. And at this corner, I'm gonna take that and make a curved line to the back of the head and turn it up at that corner. Now for his arm on the left here, I'm gonna draw a curved line there, and then another curved line in that position. Now for the sleeves, I'm gonna draw a circle across the wrist, and for his hand, I'm gonna put the thumb and up and draw a curved line upwards and a semicircle turn on the tip and down back to the finger, the other finger. And for the other finger, I'm gonna take this outer point here and draw a semicircle and extend it in, and another semicircle at this end, and we're gonna copy the whole thing for the other finger right there. And for the last finger, we're gonna add a curved line at that corner, and from the front I'm gonna take that all the way to the wrist and turn it up. Below the arm, the lower line of the arm, I'm gonna trace this line there and then extend it down to the side. And then from this point, I'm gonna take that line and draw a curved line down and another curved line slightly outwards. And going back to the front of the outfit, I'm gonna draw a curved line down, and then from this point I'm gonna draw another curved line slightly out, and from the back part of the outfit I'm gonna draw across a curved line to the front and a short line on both sides, and then I'm gonna draw another curved line across from the left to the right. And for his pants, we're gonna draw from this point at the back a curved line down and slightly out once you pass the knee point. And then we're gonna draw across a curved line and turn it upwards to the center of the pants, in between of the pants. And then we're gonna mirror the same shape on the right side of the legs there. And for his shoes, we're gonna draw a curved line on the side and across on the bottom part, and slightly above that I'm gonna draw another curved line across. Now for the right shoes, I'm gonna draw from the front point here a curved line to the front and a semicircle turn to the tip of the shoes in front and a short line at the back. And then from that point I'm gonna draw a curved line across to the front, and slightly above that we're gonna draw another line similar to the lower part. And then I'm gonna add an apple picture in front of his shirt, so I'm gonna draw a curved line in the center here, and then at the sides I'm gonna draw another semicircle turn to the side and turn it out downwards. And then I'm gonna do a semicircle to the center right there and another one on the right side. And on top of the apple in the middle, I'm gonna add a short curved line and a bracket at the bottom of that. Now on his pants, on the knees, we're gonna draw a tilted square on both of the knees, like that. And we're done. And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoyed the lesson and find my videos helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to let me know of your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below.